as you saw when we got here, this pond was filled with greenish water, and there's a lot of beautiful fish in here. So all the fish are in here. We are... Jose doesn't care about my videography, he just turns on the...
I can't hear you!
Anyway, this connection is less than ideal, so it blew out, it blew the dirt out, so we're going to re-level this, and we're going to make it the right way, plumb it in right, and get this level and plumb. And we're going to re-pebble the bottom, and we're going to fill it back up, and we're going to put all these beautiful fish back in. So we'll check back in.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Okay. Let's try that again. Okay, so everything's rinsed down, washed down, and Jose's putting pebble in there. We're gonna have to rinse, as you can see how dirty that is. We will just keep rinsing that down, and we'll kind of do another rinse down with the pebble in there. We'll do pebble the whole way through. It'll completely change the look of this pond. Like I said, we didn't build this pond, but we can make it a lot better. And I'm gonna figure out this one in here. We're gonna get this guy set right. We're gonna do a reseal on the skimmer because some of the seal is compromised in here from the shifting, and then everything will be good to go.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So, if you're just tuning in, this is what you missed so far. I didn't have a camera, so I started on my phone. Bad connection blew this out. We're redoing that. We're resealing that. We are re-leveling that. This pond did not have pebble in it. We took everything out. We took all these fish out of it, and we are pebbling the bottom of it. We did not build this pond, but it's going to look a lot better when we're done. We have beautiful fish, so hopefully the end of this video is majestic, beautiful fish swimming around. And if I know Bobby, it will be. Anyway, so Jose's rinsing down the new pebble because it's always dirty. We're going to get that cleaned out. We're going to get this all done up, and we'll start filling it back up, put all the detoxify in, and then start easing these beautiful fish back into the pond. Stay tuned.
1 hour later.
Okay, this is the color of the water they've been in for I don't know how long, just bumping into each other, and this is what they're going into. So we will put like 1 or 2 in, make sure everything's fine. We put the detox in to take the chlorine and things out of the water and help with the slime coat of the fish, but we'll put them in first. Put a couple in, leave that water in there, make sure everything's good. And if it is, start putting everybody back in. Hopefully I'll get you some good videos of some awesome looking fish. Up and running. Everybody's happy. Fish look happy. Oh. See you later, guys. Jose? Happy? Happy? Yeah, that's right. Another successful project. The Santiago Good Heart connection comes through again.
Do you like me? If you do, please say